Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Right now, you are familiar with how we can add the different APIs in Okta, right? You are. I added users, groups, and apps and log streams. And there are plenty of other APIs also which you can do it like this. It is not restricted just only to users or not restricted only just to, groups. There are plenty of APIs available. Here you can see apps. API is there which we have seen. User API we have seen. There is a one called Sessions API. Then Policy API is there. Factors API is there. Device API is there. Like this, there are a lot of APIs are available. For example, if you want to access Factors API, you can click this here and it will take you to the list of APIs that is available for Factors. If we click Run in Postman, it will be automatically added. The same thing. Here you can see the factors got added. In that I can able to see all the list of factors available. Let's say I want to reset the factor for one user. I can able to do it. Likewise, for example, here you can see with the help of this, you can able to reset the factor for a user. Multi-factor authentication factors. Likewise, there are plenty of factors available. It is not just restricted only to users and groups. Likewise, you can able to configure it based on your record. But now let's discuss about the group one. For group, we have different operations like group operations, which is like creating group. Getting the list of groups. Add user to the group. Those things and group membership operations will give you an in-detail view of what the membership of that group have. If you want to add user to the group membership, you can do it. If you want to remove a group membership, you can do it like this. From here and the related resource, what it have? List of assigned applications. For example, if you want to get the list of us application assigned to one group, you can able to get it from here. Group rules. If you remember, we have worked on the group rules, right? Like we need to assign a group rule. That group will help you to automatically do some provisioning for different set of applications. That operations also you can do. Now let's start with the add group, which means we are going to create a new group. If you click that add group, here you can see in the body there is a predefined state available. You can edit your group details here. For example, API group, and this is a new list group for API. And once that is done here, also in the post URL, you can see it is not asking for anything. Only URL is asking, but you are already assigned here. You can see if you hover over there. You can see it is assigned. No changes on this. Click that. Clicks it. That's it. The user has been see the account. The group has been created and the status says it's just. From this, you can able to create like this. Now let's say you want to list all the groups. That is available in Okta. This option will help you and the get group will give you only the group that you want to do. Let's say you have created this group right now. You want to check only this group information. You can get this group ID number. Mention this here. Click Set. You will get the group information. What is the group name? What is the description? And from which membership? I mean which source the group is being maintained. Those things we can able to see. Actually, yesterday I tried to create one user but because I wanted to edit the same user because I didn't change the first name and last name. Is there any option to change the user? The first name and last name. You are saying update, right? Let's see that. It should be set. Let's see. There should be an option. Let me see. Here you can see update user. Is there right? What you need to do is you need to edit and use the account with the help of this code only. It's not a predefined one actually. What you need to do is you need to copy this code. And this API, let's say open this one. In the body, try to update this. And if it is already there, first I need to update. Just a sec. This I'll tell you tomorrow. There should be some code that we need to update. I guess I'll tell you tomorrow for this. But there is an option. You don't need to worry about that, but there is an option for that. I'll tell you tomorrow how we can do that. I'll make a note for that. As I said, we have created a group and we need to get the information in the group. You can go ahead and use this get group options. And let's say if you want to list all the list of groups available, you can use this API thing. If you click send, it will get you all the list of groups available. Even it will get you the Okta group. It will get you the app group, application master group. Likewise, if you want to convert it to Excel, as I said yesterday, copy this like JSON to CV. Now let's say you want to find this group alone. Copy this ID of this group. Or else, either you can do it here also. Go to Okta console. Go to groups. Open the group that you want to do. Copy the group ID for the group. This is the group ID. Copy like this. Come here. Here you can update the Here you can update the group ID and click Set. That's it. You will get the group information. If you see, this is a built-in group. That name is everyone. And let's say you want to get the list of members in that group. You can see group membership operations. If you open that in the top, it is asking for group ID. What you can do is you can edit this group ID and you can enter the group ID that you are trying to get the list of users list. Copy that group ID here. No other changes. You should not change this. You should not change this. These things should not be touched. Only the group ID that has been given a red color. You should change it. X and you will get the list of the users in the bottom. You will get the list of users here. The first name, last name of that user and all the user information will be populated here. Now let's convert it to stays onto CSV. You got all the list of users which we have added to the user. We can able to see all the list of users with their status also in the group. Who is part of the group? Who is part of the group that we have acquired? Now this thing, add user to the group, will be used for adding user to a group. One user to one group. You need a user ID here which is unresolved and you need a group ID also. Both the information. You want, let's say, I want to add one user to a group. Let's select it. If I don't have any permissions to open this, the main console. How can I get that? The group ID or user ID. Two ways are there. Either you will be given and read-only admin access for Okta. Because you want an Okta admin, you should know this. You should see this. Then you can able to troubleshoot or you can able to configure everything. You will be granted read-only access or you can do in this way. Let's say you want to get the list of the groups already available. First, you need to get the list here in this unit to see. This is the group name is Okta Windows Security. The group name is Okta Windows Security. I need to get this ID here and I can able to go ahead and whatever the action that I want I can perform here. Two ways are possible. Both the ways you can do it. Either you can do it from Okta console or you don't have Okta console access at all. Not even an access you don't have. Then you can go ahead and do like this. But it is very complex. I would say, but there is an option. Now let's try to add a user to a group. One user to one to. Let's say I want to add it to this. A PI group. I want to add one user here. Let me remove this user. Let me remove all the users. I just try to add this user alone. I need this user ID first, which I have to update here. I have updated. Then I need group ID. Group ID is nothing but this group which I'm going to add. This is the group ID. And I'll refresh this. No users are there right now. Now let me add that user here. Now click Set. You can see Do Not Force No Content which means it has been added. See, this user has been added. Likewise, you can able to add user to the group and remove. Also, there is an option. I'll let you know how you can. There it is. Same thing. Use this here. You need to enter the group ID here. You need to enter the user ID. In that way, you can able to remove the users from the group. Any questions? Let's go. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.